What's up, folks? We're doing some Godot game development tonight here. Specifically, I'm trying to get this 9-patch rect working for my buttons so that they're all a consistent shape. So we're going to play around with that for a bit and just chill because it's Friday night. So feel free to ask questions. Guess we're going to add a label here. Guess I'm going to end up kind of making a custom button here. Well, actually, I say that, but I mean, I can put the button in, of course. I guess that's probably what we'll end up doing, right? Put some theme overrides in here. I am going to need my font file should be here. Yeah, there it is. Inside UI. Oh, okay. I see what I did. UI, bright buttons. I see what I did. Okay. Where is my colors? There they are. Okay. Now, so what I need now is, let me think. Gonna need a button, an empty button. We're gonna put those inside that button. See, look, let me show you here. See the old one at the bottom, they're looking to replace with the slightly weird, strange, peculiar kind of shapes to it. So we're gonna fix that right here so that they all have this nice 9 scaling right here. At least that's the plan. So we're gonna break some things here and then we'll unbreak them. Hopefully. And I want this one to connect to that, which is that. That is fine. And then say goodbye to the old one. Goodbye, old button. And then if I'm lucky, this should just work as a replacement. Let's test it. Save it, run it.
You bet.
All right, so the sound is on.
Oh no.
Go to our settings. Click it. I need to put the other state in there, but we'll try it.
Ouch.
Nope, that is not it. All right, what's missing here? Okay, well, it's teeny tiny. That's not a good start. $344, 100. And unfortunately, it doesn't there it is. Okay, good deal. All right, now we can fix this. But I don't want that button to have any kind of style to it. So let's see what that does. Okay, turn the sound off. Good. And now the sound's back on. But we have that weird focus frame, right? Don't want that. If I say none, does that turn that off? I think it does. All right. Let's fix the broken label. Sound button label. Let's go to our script. Update sound button text. Sound button dot text. All right. Okay, but it's not quite right. What we need is that. So by default, the sound is on. Go back. Let's change the label here. All right. Let's take both of, I can't take both, can I? Take this, make it fit there, and then this one also fit there. That should fix the text. All right, settings, turn sound off. Yep, sound should be off. And it is. Settings, turn sound on. And I can hear the sound. Perfect. We have fixed the weird button. Okay. Let me update my to-do list here. That is done. All right, good. That's that taken care of. All right, let's do... I don't want this to be a generic view, but don't want to break anything at this point. You know what? We're going to leave it at that for now. This settings button over here could do with some love though, couldn't it? So I'll tell you what, we are going to fix this. If I save this as a scene, well, nah, you know what? Let's just go with it this way for now. I want to ship this thing pretty soon. So let's just paste in here. We will call this the settings button. It's going to be the new one. This is the old one. So if I do that, this should hook itself back in nicely. Yep. Let's change the label. Whoops. Hello, what did I do? trash the old one. Let's also do the help button. I wonder if, let me think. Can you? No. Okay. You know, might as well do the play button while we're at it, right? Guess we'll make all the buttons the same size. No reason not to. Keeps things nice and consistent, and then we can convert that to something later on that we can just have one master and just replicate each instance. At least that's going to be the plan.
You bet. Whoop. Whoop. You bet. Whoop. Okay. Whoop. You bet. Got it. Here we go. Got it. You bet. Here we go. Got it.
Oh, I forgot I put that in.
Whoop.
Cool.
Oh no.
All right, let's do the menu and the restart buttons. Funny. Version of a container together. Oh yeah, okay. Fair enough. Gonna get the old one. That's the new one. Yep. Okay, that's odd. Why can't I? This node is a child of a container. Yeah, I know. So is that one. Yeah, that one you let me change it. This one you're not letting me change it. What's up with that? I bet if I do that, you'll let me change it. All right. If I do that, okay. What can it calculate here? Hmm. Interesting. I mean, I don't need to do it that way, but would have been convenient.
Hey.
Okay, let's put it in the center of everything. But move it down some.
Ouch.
Okay, should stay where you are. And you do. Thank you. Good deal. Right, let's fix the other one. Whoops. No, 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 no. There we go. And you're going to need some anchors. And don't forget to hook up the node because that's kind of important. There we go. Otherwise, you got a button that does nothing. And who wants that?
Oh no. Hey.
All right.
Here we go. You bet. Okay. You bet. Here we go. Whoop. Here we go. Got it. You. Hey.
Shouldn't have gone for it.
Here we go. Okay. You bet. Whoop. 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 Okay. Got it. Whoop. Whoop. You bet. Okay. Whoop. Got it. Okay. Whoop.
Come on, I need 20
Got it.
jump power.
You bet. You bet. Whoop.
There you go.
Got it. Okay. Whoop. Got it. You bet. You bet. Got it. Hey.
Oh. Death animation is magic. Thank you, Adam Wolf. How you doing, buddy? Loved your stream last night. Hey, folks, you should go follow Adam Wolf. He did a great stream last night on some Swift and Swift data and all the pain that comes with it, right? I need to make sure that sound doesn't play now on the power up when we get it. It shouldn't, because the sound manager should take care of it. I feel like the death, I almost want to put a couple of little wings on him when he's dead. Just a thought. Send him up to heaven, right? This is so much easier with the keyboard. Okay, good. No sound. Great. All right. Okay, that's all those buttons taken care of. I got to do the back button there. Don't think I'm... Yeah, I got the back button on that one to do. I think that's the only buttons that need updating. So... Sponsored by Red Bull, yeah. Good, I'm glad you enjoyed the stream last night that you did. We all did. Yeah. This death sponsored by Red Bull. Red Bull sends you to heaven. Trademark. Okay. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Let me think. Let me think. Settings screen. Back button right there. So let's paste this one in. Call this the old back button. Put it there. Let's get rid of that one. Hook it up before I forget. Oh, shoot. We called it something else. Oh, we called it that. Okay. That's fine. Put that one in. Get rid of this one and hope we don't break things. What's the worst that could happen? We break things. Then we'll fix them. Eventually. No, we decided to keep them the same, didn't we? So 352. And transform. Transform. All right, let's copy that one. That's good. That's the settings screen. Now we got to do the help screen. Oh, I just called it button on this one. How bad is that? No wonder it said on button. All right, paste. On button pressed, yeah. Please don't break. Please. All right, we'll check that. I will be right back, folks. And I'm back. I got hydration. Okay. Hey, let's check these buttons. So go to the settings screen. That looks good. Help screen. That looks good. All right, good deal. Now, there is something weird going on here. With the transitions screen. So we fade to black. We do this. We've got enough weight in there for this to finish. I wonder if the glitch is that. Let's try it. Hydrate for 1000. Here we go. Hydration. Thank you, sir. Ooh, hot hydration. Give it a second. Trying to get a return value of a method that returns void. I believe you. Oh, I'm an idiot. Hot hydration. Hot. Okay, that's not good. There we go. Nope, it's not that. Okay. It's got that little flicker, and it's just annoying enough to be annoying. Thing is, where is it? There it is. So fade to clear, right? Fade to black. So we've I wonder if it's something really silly like does it need to be told to stop? It's not looping, is it? No. Fade to black doesn't loop. That one doesn't loop. Oh, actually, no, it doesn't. It's turned off. Here we go. Okay, let's try that. Oh, nope, not that. Not that. That one's off. That one's off. Yeah, okay. So maybe it just needs to be told. Is there like a go to frame? Can I tell it to go to a particular frame? I tell it. Well, if I do a Q3 though, I got a feeling that's gonna break it next time around. Yeah. It's not that. Is it like a reset? Set what? I don't think so. Nope. I really want to have fancy fade. I really want that.
Whoop. Here we go. Okay. Oh no.
Wait, did I
Okay.
see a glitch?
Okay. Oh no.
Nope. Because if I don't do a fade to clear, let me show you what happens. It ain't pretty. Oh, oh. Sorry, it's just paused. Yep. All right. Oh, actually, that wasn't
Whoop.
that bad. Maybe
Okay.
I just don't have it fade in.
Ouch.
Okay, I'm not going to do a crossfade. I'm just going to go with that. That's fine. That's better than the annoying glitch. Okay, cool. Another one off the list here. Hang on. I don't have any onboarding screens yet. Doesn't have the high scoreboards, of course. Still got to port that over from the Sprite Kit version, along with Game Center stuff. Of course, we've got the events as well. All right, let's take a look at this. Plugins for iOS. Godot provides StoreKit, Game Center, and iCloud services and other plugins. Interesting. All right. Let's read this together, shall we, folks? Okay, I wonder how reliable this is. Tell me more about these plugins here. Oh crap. The content of this page was not yet updated for Godot 4.2 and may be outdated. Okay, I'll risk it. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, these are very old, couple of years old. And I don't like seeing that it's beta. Oh, now that makes me a little nervous. 3.5 was the latest on September the 5th, 2022. Update for Godot 4 was opened on May 15th. Ooh. Oh, the maintainer is no longer available. Oh, did somebody fork it? Not liking the sound of that. Okay, what other options do I have? I really actually would prefer a cross-platform leaderboard and achievements for this one, since this is going to go to other platforms. Okay, maybe we'll come back to this. We'll come back to that. Let's take a look at some other things here. Project settings. Not what I was looking for. Project. Export. iOS. Yeah, we don't have any of the screens or icons yet, do we? Yeah. All right, let's take those from the Sprite Kit version. Nope. Sprite Kit version. Am I crazy or do I not see it? Where did my source code go? Okay, there it is. What size is that? That's the big one. Okay. All right. Gonna do something fancy here, I suspect. What size do I need? Okay. Oh, come on. Are you gonna play nice and let me just do this? Let's see. Open in File Manager. Nope, wrong one. You gonna let me just use the same one over and over again? Are you? You just gonna scale it for me? Please say yes. Okay, launch screens. Use launch screens. Storyboard. Well, we don't have one, so we'll get creative. Yes. Making XC archive. What could possibly go wrong, right? Xcode project build failed. See editor log for details. Why am I not surprised? What is this? What's the difference between that and export all? Okay, something. Okay, what did it not like? Requires a provisioning profile. Select a provisioning profile in the signing, and I thought I had one. Okay, guess I didn't. Oh yeah, so I quite right. I don't. If left empty, Xcode will download or create a provisioning profile automatically. Yeah, but it didn't. Try it again, but I bet it won't. Can't I just export the project and load it in Xcode? I'd much rather do that. Oh, good. It did at least resize the icons. Oh. Guess I don't. Did I set one up? Nah. Profiles. Oh, apparently I didn't. Okay. I know I must have done because I've run this on my iPhone. How did I run this on my iPhone if I didn't? Maybe I'm just imagining it. Profiles. I don't have. I don't think it means what it thinks it means. Do provisioning profiles have a UUID? I thought they were only for devices. I don't see one in the portal. Am I misunderstanding? Boy, it's real hard to click on that thing when it won't stay on the... Oh, a little confused right now. Okay. I've definitely done this differently before. I was okay with that one. Takes a long time. There we go. Okay. That seemed happy enough, didn't it? Where did I put my PMG file? Oh, I think I put it in one of these by mistake one time. Hang on. There it is. All right. No about screen? Well, that sucks. Okay.
Here we go. Whoop. Here we go. Okay. Whoop. Hey.
That looks good.
You bet. Here we go. Whoop. Got it. Whoop. Here we go.
Oh, I should not have gone for it.
Whoop. You bet. You bet. Whoop. Okay. Got it.
All right, actually, this should...
Oh no.
Oh, I shouldn't have done that. It should go full screen. Yeah. Game mode on. Game mode on.
Got it.
Big 27-inch hurdles. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. You bet. Got it. Here we go. Got it.
It's not any
Got it.
easier when it's bigger, let me tell you. It just looks
Got
like
it.
the hurdle's really shifting some.
Okay. You bet. You bet. Here we go. Whoop. Got it. Whoop. Here we go. You bet. You bet.
It should be
Okay.
the Q key
Got it.
to use my power up.
Okay. Okay.
There we go.
Got
yeah.
it.
I have to tap it a
Here we
couple of
go.
times though. So look into that.
Okay. Here we go. You bet. Got it. Okay. 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 Okay.
It's getting a little fast.
Whoop.
Just saying. It's getting a little
What?
fast.
Okay. Okay. Whoop. Whoop. You bet. You bet. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. You bet. Here we go. Okay.
Definitely
Okay.
starting to test my reaction times.
Whoop. You bet.
Oh
What?
yeah. Oh shoot. That's
Here we
that's
go.
pretty fast.
Okay. Whoop. Okay. Whoop.
Let's slow it down a bit. So when you hit the difference between
Here we
this
go.
one and the original Sprite Kit version, when
What?
you slow it down, it doesn't go back to the
You
original
bet.
speed. It just slows it down a small amount.
What?
So it makes it a lot harder overall.
Here we go.
And it actually makes it crucial to manage your jump power because
Got it.
you're going to have to make the right decisions.
Here we go. Whoop. Whoop. Got it. You bet. Whoop. Got it. Whoop.
Can I get to 100?
What?
I'm not sure that I can.
Okay.
Gonna try.
Got it. Here we go.
I may have to use
Okay.
another power up because,
Whoop.
dang, this thing is moving
What?
fast.
You bet. Got it. Here
If
we
you would
go.
like to join our Discord,
Here
go to
we go.
compileswift.com
Okay.
/Discord. I
You
may
bet.
release
Here we
early
go.
test versions on there for you
Got
all
it.
to try.
You bet.
This is obviously the Mac
Okay.
build here right now, running in
Here
full
we go.
screen.
Whoop. Whoop.
And
You bet.
it's getting a little hard.
You bet.
See, I slowed it down,
Here
but
we go.
there we go.
Got
That
it.
helps a bit more. Gonna use a couple of them. Gotta
You bet.
burn some here. Yeah. Ooh.
Here we go. You bet. Here we go. Okay.
And it should, if I click
Got it.
away from the window without dying.
Here we go.
Yeah, there you go. Pause screen. Great. Whew, I can take a breath for a second. Oh, let the heart and the blood pressure go down. Yeah. All right, we ready? Here we go. Oh, dang. Is it broken? Did I break the pause screen button? I think I did. Oh, okay, good. Found a bug. All right. I think I broke it. Have a look. Does it work over here? Oh, it works there.
Whoop.
I wonder if the full screen doesn't get
You bet.
focus back quite like it should.
Whoop.
Because notice how I wasn't getting the mouse over change there. That's interesting. Okay, so can't ship that yet. We got a bug. We got a bug. It's an ugly planet. It's a bug planet. Anyone remember the movie? Come on, it's easy.
Oh no.
Oh, let me test something. Let me take the focus away. All right, bring it back. Now click. Nope, that works.
Got it.
Yep, works there too.
You bet. Ouch.
Ooh, excuse me. Is it Mac specific, I wonder? I swear I had this running on my iPhone, so I did an export to iOS somehow. Let's try this cable. What's this plugged into? Let's find out. Can I select my device? No? No? Okay. Why would I not want it runnable? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, excuse me. Goodness. Oh, geez. I'm sorry. Okay, save. See, why can't you just let me export the pack, export everything and load it up in? Oh, you know what? That's probably what I did. I bet that's what's... Okay, hold on. It's probably just the build that's failing, right? It's probably doing the export just fine. Let's find out. This is probably how I did this. I bet. Come on, Xcode. There you go. All right. I bet this will work. Don't have one. Yeah. So, automatically make one for me, please. Yep. Okay. And run it on my iPhone. Go on, I dare you. Run it on my iPhone. Go on, Xcode.
Yes.
Installing to my phone? Yeah, you know you are. Yeah, dang straight you installed to my phone. Eventually. Maybe. Come on. Load it up so I can show everybody. Alright. Let's stop that in Xcode. Now, I remember now actually what happened. So, here's the Godot version. I know you should be able to see that. Let me see. Wait, see if it comes up on the camera. Oh, it's very bright. Very bright. Hang on. It's like, no, we can't see shit on the camera. What are you talking about? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna play it. Ooh, it's nice and smooth. Now, here's the big test. So I got the pause button. Maybe you can see it now. I bet because it's not white. And come on. Catch up, stream. Yeah, there you go. Okay. And now can I resume play? Yeah, okay. So it is just the Mac version. Okay. Ooh, I could totally give this to people to start testing it. Except I don't hear any sound. Why do I not hear sound? Do I have... This is where I find out that I'm like, oh yeah, because my phone's in quiet mode. Come on, phone. Um, there's the sound. No, it's not on silent. Hmm. That is odd. I don't have sound. Okay. Well, sound is not a capability, so think if I remember rightly, I checked these and it didn't make any difference. We'll find out in a second. Frameworks do not embed. Shouldn't shouldn't those be embedded? No? Update to recommended settings. What do you recommend, Xcode? Yeah, alright, do it. But if you break, I'm totally blaming you. Alright, come on.
Yes.
Okay. Don't think it's respecting the... Oh, it is now respecting it. Okay, good. Well, it was. Now it isn't. Yeah, this is what happened. You can't rotate the phone. Even though I tell it. Oh, I got sound.
You made.
Alright. Sound's back.
Okay.
You can probably hear it.
You bet.
Yep.
Okay. You made.
Okay, sound's working, but screen rotation, which is technical for Okay, nice try, Xcode. Well done. Ooh, look at all this fancy stuff. But if I look at the export, okay, we should use a launch. Yeah. Should use a launch screen storyboard, not an image. Export project only. Maybe that will stop it from build files. Okay, that now here's the thing. Let's go back into Xcode. Oh, dang it, there's two of them. Let's do it again. Whose voice is that? You with the helium balloon? It is me. all the voices in the game are either me or my wife. I have a voice. I think it's called Voice Mod. Is an app that I use to tweak the voices for more. But yeah, no, it's all me, all the time. Yeah, I was like, I can't afford to have someone do a professional voiceover. We'll go with me. Okay, see, look, I'm definitely checking those. And it does it on the loading screen, but it doesn't do it once the game's running. That's the interesting part. Okay, let's try it again.
Yes.
Yes. Come on, phone. Okay, see? Nope, it's not doing it there now either. Wait. That's correct. It's sitting there for a very long time. Very long. Ah, there we go. And then it's upside down. I don't know what that's about.
What? Here we go. Here we go. You bet. What? What? Got it. Here we go. Oh no.
Oh, dang it. I really suck at my own game. Now the sound works. Yep. That all works. But I can't. It just won't respect going the other way up.
What?
I gotta be able to get at least 20. Come on.
What? Got it. Okay. Okay. What? 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 Okay. Here we
Okay,
go.
it's 10.
Hey.
Well, I got 10. Okay. All right. So I don't think it's going to be Xcode that's causing that, though, in the build there. I think it's something in Godot, because well, it probably is, right? I thought you bought voice game assets or something. No, I should just sell my voice, right? Have my buy my voice for your game. I can do pretty good English accent actually. Not so good on the Texas side though, as Adam will attest. It's like nah, that's nothing like it. Y'all gone crazy. Okay, let's see. So we do need to come up with some launching images. I gotta grab me a bottle of water. I'll be right back. Proper Texan. I don't know. Don't know. I'm pretty sure I can think of a few. I don't know how many people are in Texas. Few million that would disagree. I know of at least one. My wife would definitely say, "No, he don't sound like no Texan." Someone didn't believe me the other day when I told him I was in Texas. I thought I was going to drive down to the Fort Worth stockyards and show him some Longhorns and be like, "See." Okay, so I feel like we've got at least the base of everything working here. So this is good. I'm feeling good about this. Now, there's still lots of other things to add to catch up with the Sprite Kit version, but I feel like I need to figure out these bugs for the builds because number one, it's not going outside of the safe areas on an iOS device. Not a huge deal, but it would be nice. Just don't like seeing the black edges. And there's this rotation thing. The only requirement is saying y'all. Okay, well then maybe I'm good. I didn't know the requirements were that easy. Nobody told me. It wasn't on the paperwork. Let's see here. Okay. Uh, excuse me. Why does my Godot game on iOS not rotate with the screen, with the device rotation, even when I set both landscapes, in Xcode? It's going to come back and say known bug, right? Screen orientation is not updated. Yeah, okay, there you go. I wish there was auto rotate detection if locked or unlocked in Godot to solve the issue above. Yeah, me too. Did anyone find one? This is not a bug. If the project settings general display window handheld orientation, whew, that's a mouthful, is set to sensor landscape, the screen rotates as expected, and rotations can be locked and unlocked by the user. Godot's sensor landscape maps to Android's user landscape setting. In other words, it ain't gonna work, right? Is what you're telling me. Hang on. Project settings, general display window. Feel like I saw that somewhere. Handheld orientation. Landscape. Yeah. But if I set it to okay, wait, sensor landscape, maybe, hello. But God, I hope it's this simple. Really needed to be this simple. Please be this simple. Okay, let's find out. Yeah, look, it checked them both for me. Good. Let's just set this anyway.
Yes.
All right, fingers crossed. or a cowboy hat, or a sheriff badge. I got both of those. It's not a real sheriff badge, though. Does that matter? Okay, wait. Oh, fucking sweet! I don't know if you can see it. You probably can. Totally, totally fixes. Please don't go portrait. Thank God. Okay. All right. Hang on. Let's check the go to background. Oh, shoot. When I lose focus and go to background and come back, it's not in. It doesn't pause. That's a problem. Coco type with what? What? 38 readers? Where did Coco type find 38 people? Welcome, everybody. How you doing, Coco type buddy? How was your stream? Let's give you a shout out. Welcome, welcome. How you doing? Coco type, we have the Godot version running. Just your natural charisma? Well, of course. What was you working on? I didn't catch your stream because I really wanted to fix some bugs. You'll have to forgive me. You got to look, I've got a face that you can forgive, right? I got to raid myself from CM Griffin. Gosh, hey, yeah. I haven't seen them in a while. Yeah, I haven't been catching up with their streams. Well, all right, we have the iOS build. I don't know if you can see it. The iOS build from Godot is now working. So it's a bit weird though. There's a couple of things because it's like fix one, break one. I don't have sound, which is odd, and then I do have sound, which is odd. So I was working on getting some LLM goodies baked into black. Oh, sweet! Black Highlight is getting a look in. Nice. Okay, so there's no sound now, but let me do it again. Because last time on the second build, sound came back, which is a bit weird, right? I really want to get these little things ironed out so I can get a beta to you all. Yep, see? Now I got sound. As you can clearly hear.
Got it. What?
Right? Okay. So, what's the deal, Xcode? Why is it good 1 second and not good the next? Are you not baking in the sound files or something? What's everybody been doing? Hey, these noises sound a lot like your Infinite Child Jump game for Playdate. Weird that, right? You missed it, Coconut. Adam was asking me if he's like, hey, is that your voice on Helium? And he's pretty darn close. Yeah. We're just gonna license my voice. That we've decided this is the quick. It's better than easier than making apps. I'll just license my voice. It's got to be easier, right? So I'll send you an invoice for the Playdate game. Well, Escamina, you're about 1 hour 50 minutes late, but you are the first to put first. So yeah, professional voice actor. That's going to be my new thing, right? Professional voice actor specializing in cowboys. Yeah. Booked for Toy Story 12. Absolutely. Yeah. That'll just be Buzz goes to England, right? Buzz and Woody go to England, right? That's what counts. Yeah. Just being the first one to type first is what counts. That's what it comes down to. So we also fixed up some buttons today. They now 9 scale properly, so they don't look weird, right? So there's that. That's a thing.
Okay.
We've got keyboard controls, but
What?
I gotta plug a controller
You
in to
bet.
check that the controller keys work.
Whoop.
Buttons, whatever, work.
Got it. Whoop.
But so apparently, when this
Okay.
goes to the background, loses
Whoop.
focus on iOS, it doesn't go to the pause
Here
screen.
we go.
And yet on the Mac
Okay.
version, it goes to the pause screen,
Got
but
it.
doesn't let you unpause it. So,
You bet.
just your typical dev life kind
Okay.
of day, right? That's what's going on
Here we
here.
go.
You know. Why could oh, don't you start. So, yeah.
You bet.
It was like fix 3,
Here we go.
discover 2. Right? I guess that's
Whoop.
not a bad ratio, right?
Got it.
Oh, that was close.
Got it.
That was real close.
You bet.
Why not React Native?
Okay.
You know, I bet you totally could do this in
Okay.
React Native. I bet I could probably
Got
do it in
it.
React Native. Not gonna, but,
Whoop.
you know.
Here we go.
I feel committed to this engine for this game
Okay.
for at least one version. That's
Got
my
it.
new rule. Stick with an engine for at least
Whoop.
one full
Got it.
version. And then switch again.
Got it.
Yeah. Power up
Got it.
available.
Okay.
Rust.
Okay.
It probably would
Okay.
be very performant in Rust.
Here we go.
Right? Is what I'm thinking.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
It'll suck in PHP just
Okay.
like everything does. Ooh,
Okay.
fighting words, right?
Okay. You bet.
Okay, this is
Whoop.
getting a little quick now.
You bet. Got it. Got it.
I don't think I'm ever going to beat my
Here we
high
go.
score of 120.
Okay.
Not currently. Not
Here we
without some
go.
kind of developer tweak.
Here we go. Got it.
Oh, see, this is... Yeah.
Okay. Whoop. Okay. Got it. Okay. You bet.
I think I've
You
calculated
bet.
if you get a
Here we
score
go.
of about
Got
60 without using
Got
a
it.
power up, you then
Whoop.
have real trouble trying to
You
time
bet.
your jumps. Or at
Okay.
least I do.
Got it.
That's where
Okay.
I'm going with that.
You bet. Here we go. Here we
Okay.
go. Got it.
I thought that
Okay.
sound was in the game.
Here we go. Okay.
Like, immediately
Okay.
my brain was like, when
Whoop.
did I put that in?
Okay.
Okay, see, this is...
Got it.
Yeah, this is...
Got it.
Okay, this is
You bet.
freaking hard.
You bet.
I'm gonna have to
Whoop.
burn some power up here.
Here we go.
Dang.
You bet.
Oh my god.
Whoop.
Oh my god. Talk about panic. The community challenge finished today and it was completed. So I am building an app in Rust. Where have you been, Escamilla? That was a while ago. Yeah. Olympics level. Yeah. Boy, that was fast. I'm telling you. Okay. All right. Okay. So we do need, I need to make some notes here. Yeah, clean that screen. Let me find, I need to add splash screens. Oh shoot, what did I just do? I just edited something here by mistake. And now I can't do it. Undo it. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, so let's bring this over here. So I need to add the splash screens. Pause screen does not appear on iOS. Have not checked Android yet. Probably should. Why is it not letting? There you go. What what type is this? Well, unfortunately, it's a bug. It's a bug. And then on Mac, you cannot unpause the game, which kind of a thing, right? Should probably fix that in the first version. Just seemed like a good idea, doesn't it? Okay, I think that's all the new things. Mono says I have to port BH, Black Highlighter, to Android. You gonna do it? You thinking about it just for fun? It would be a good app on Android, but you know, no one's gonna pay for it on Android. They're all give it to me for free, you know. You know what they're like. Give it to me for free. Okay, what else did we discover today? I feel like there was one other thing. No, let me think. Is he usually at the pub at this time? Needs more Kiwi accent, but yeah, that's basically the median Android. Yeah. There you go.
Here we go.
Oh, I know what it was. Yeah, hang on. I think I saw a warning somewhere. Oh, has it gone away? No, it's gone away, actually, I think. Oh, that's the game menu. Hang on. There they are. These are the... I think these warnings are telling me why I have trouble clicking on the thing. Changing the z-index of a control only affects the drawing order, not the input event handling order. Oh, okay. So let's ask the internet. How do I change the input event handling order in Godot 4? And it's going to tell me, I don't know. You tell me. Oh, look at this answer on Reddit. What could possibly go wrong? Okay. That actually does maybe make some sense. Maybe. Let's look at the script. Go to the script, Batman.
Hey, listen.
Oh, God. I heard a hey, listen. Read the documentation. Oh, my God. I forgot I'd put that in there. Well, actually, I did. I will be reading the documentation here because what I need to do, I think, let's take a look here. I know where I need to start, but when it's ready, I think I need get tree. Um, mm, 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 mm. Documentation of the internet should totally count. Yeah, Yeah, that should totally count, right? Yeah. Shoot. Totally forgot what I was thinking of. Hang on. Okay, let's go to the Godot documentation. Godot get free. And then it's something like stat click or something like that. I think. Oh, what came up is how to make trees in Godot. No. All right, here's the documentation. Because I know if I don't show it, you're not going to believe me. Should ban Google. Yeah, I see. Well, actually, it wouldn't help because I use DuckDuckGo. So I should probably update that, right?
Violation of the verbal morality statute.
It's okay. Hang on. Let's search the docs for what the hell did I call that thing? What was the error? Warning, whatever.
Tell me why.
I don't know why. Not the input event handling order. That's what it is. Okay. Input event handling order. Gonna read the documentation.
Help is on the way, dear.
Please tell me there is some kind of documentation. Otherwise, this is gonna be a bit awkward. I forgot what redemption I was supposed to create in response to you creating the read documentation redemption. Oh,
Did I do that?
it was something to do with the duck, wasn't it? Like, just do what the duck says or something? Something like that. What does the doc say? Did oh, wait. Good Lord. How am I supposed to pronounce... Okay, forget it. I can't even say that. Chat asks the doc. Was that it? I can't remember how it works, though. How did we say that chat would ask the doc? I can't remember. Oh, maybe it's this one. It was just that chat was able to force me to type something into... Oh, yes. Okay. Yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's the one. I'd set the points pretty high if I was you. Just saying. Stops the input from propagating further down the scene tree. Yeah, but that's... Ooh, that gives me an idea, though. This does not affect their methods in input, only the way they're propagated. Okay, but that's...
Do it.
Maybe... Set. Actually, hold on. Do it. It was just... okay, sorry. You're way ahead of me. There you go. Yeah. You know... that dog. That one is so weird every time I hear it. Ordering. I thought maybe there might be a thing on here. Ask the dog something with the max amount of tokens. Okay. Changing the Z index of a control, which I did, only affects a drawing order. That's what I was going for, not the input event handling order. Yeah, I really don't feel it's giving me the answer that I'm looking for.
Are you sure about that?
What the duck? Input event handling order. Godot for
That's what she
input
said.
event handling order. Where's the ban Escamina from using stickers redemption?
Stop
Yeah,
it.
I you
Get some
know,
help.
you want one of those? I'll let you have it for 1 point, just for you, Coco Type. 1 point. Okay, that's a new one. I have not heard that one before. Well, actually, this would be very easy. I don't even need a redeem. I could just set it that you'll have to use bits for it. That'll stop it. But it's so much fun, right? Order the event. Okay.
I'm in danger.
Set input as handled. That's the one I was thinking of. Set input. Can't spell it, but you know. Set input. It's not even there. But I saw that in the documentation somewhere. You get the tree, yeah. Set input as handled. Okay, let's try it. Boom. Okay, that's a no-no. Turns out Coco Type was just compiled dev wearing a mask this whole time. It's true. It's true, folks. I'm Coco Type. Mono says, wait, when did I get here? What day is this? What's for dinner? Yeah. We just assumed, Mono, you were down the pub. How you doing, buddy? I really want to nail this bug today. I really want to nail this one. Because it's driving me nuts. All right. Oh, you know what? Hang on. Oh, shoot. It's not. God, I ain't got the cable for it. 2 people to sleep during my stream? What? Oh. You know, I mean, does it matter if one of them's mono? Isn't that just kind of, you know, he is living in the future, so he's a little bit older. He gets tired, you know? Just saying. Emulate touch from mouse. What happens if I turn that on? Because I am using mixed input here.
Whoop. You bet. Whoop.
Of course, now I need a power up to appear.
Got it.
Thank you. Nope, that didn't
Whoop.
make any difference.
Ouch.
Okay. Something, 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 something. Is it just the way that I'm... Is it just the way that I got this process running here? Right? Because we do all this. We do all that.
Put 'em up, put 'em up.
And then... Jump power pickup on pressed. What other options do we have? None. Oh, wait. Think of it this way. Coco type, new personal best. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, 2. New personal best. Coco type is the new sleep aid for babies, right? Yeah. He's putting himself to sleep on this. I'm really tired. It has been a very long week. I'm not going to lie. This week has been very, very tough. And it is 12:30. I mean, let's face it. I bore myself to tears. Oh, God, that's going to be a highlight. Is it this? Is this the problem? It's 2:40 a.m. and I will need to wake up at 6 a.m. to spend the whole day coding at university. Wait, but it's the weekend for you, right? You go to university at the weekend? Is that what's happening? Oh, that sucks, dude. That totally sucks. Trust me, it's not worth it. Don't get a career in coding. It's totally not worth it. Rehydrate. Thank you, buddy. Cheers, Mono. Coding, drinking, coffee. Yeah. "150 kilometers from your home, something around miles, feet, inches. There better be gold flakes in that drink. Nope, there's just water." As anti-education? You couldn't tell by the way I write code that is my default behavior? Extortion. Isn't it? It's always been 1,000, hasn't it? I haven't changed it. I didn't change it. I don't think. Extortion. Oh, really? Are you sure? I swear I haven't changed it. I swear I haven't changed it. I don't think. Uh-oh. Mod poll. Coffee. Yeah, you're right, Escamino. I shouldn't listen to these trolls. I should listen to those other trolls, right? I feel like the jump arrow pressed emit is the problem. Top bits mono. He's got one bit first. Well done, buddy. Thank you. Well done. You totally brought it in there. What price should hydrate be? Okay, let's see. 300, 1,010. All right, I'll respect the vote. Except it's not going well. It's totally not going in my favor. Kind of see the way this is going, though, right? How can there be 38 votes? There's only 24 people in the chat room. Viewing, sorry. All right, I suspect some shenanigans here. Yeah, literally. You're not wrong, Escamilla. You're not wrong, buddy. All right. Well, unless there's some kind of late comeback here, I think we see this is... yeah, thank you, Coco Type. I think we see where this is going, right? All right, hang on then. Hold on. Let's see here. Hydrate. All right, don't say I don't do nothing for you. I set it to 10. I don't know if it kicks in immediately. Oh, it did. Yep, says 10 for me. Oh, jeez. All right, see? I respected the poll. Oh, my eyes are burning. Okay, I feel like maybe the problem is that this is a Node 2D. Maybe it would work better if I had a button in there. I mean, I don't know. And then I'm thinking about PC. Oh no! Oh dang it! Oh, nice one. Hey, this guy NZ, how you doing, buddy? I totally fell for that. I thought it was my PC waking up and going back to sleep again. Because it does that randomly all the time. 14 hydrate redeems and I'm making money. I think how many pixels you could have killed. Okay, wait. I gotta catch up here, right? To be fair, you only missed the notification by about 2 hours and 20 minutes. Yeah. Actually, I think there is a door knocking sound. I know I've heard one. I'm sure of it. But also, nobody ever knocks on my door, so I wouldn't believe it either. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try this. See if we can do it. Right. See if this improves things. Got the button there. Now we're gonna make it. Oh, I figured this out earlier. Flat? Yeah. So, button pressed. We are gonna call some function. Did anyone hear a knock knock sound? I didn't hear it. Jump power pickup pressed. I can't even say it. See? Can't even say it at this point. Connect that. Go back to this one. Let's remove it from there. Disconnect it. Use a magical button. Let's try it.
Whoop. You bet. You bet.
Of course, it's not one power up randomly appearing on the screen. Oh, that
What?
worked. Oh, shoot.
Whoop.
I may have solved the problem.
Whoop.
Yay me.
Whoop. You bet.
I think I totally solved the problem.
Here we go.
Oh, okay, those very
You bet.
distracting.
Whoop. Okay.
Really? Come on.
Whoop. Got it. Whoop. Hey.
What? She's saying 40? Was she singing I'm 40?
Tell me why.
Okay. I really got to catch up on the chat. Loud 5-year-old screaming at me. Yeah. Boss, right? No. Is there a door? How's the stream? Stream was great until recently. The Invincible finale. Oh, yeah. See you later, Coco Type. Have a good one, buddy. Okay, I think I fixed it. But there is something I got to change here because I do recall there was something else I changed, right? Something to do with the focus. Focus mode none. I think that was it. But now you won't see the box.
Whoop. Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. And of course.
Here we go.
Oh,
Got it.
ooh, I'm not sure it worked that time. Hold on.
Got it.
Oh, that
Here we
one
go.
worked.
You bet.
Okay, I got to see a few
Here
more
we
of these
go.
because I'm not sure now. Now I'm questioning
go.
whether it's made a difference or not.
Whoop. Got it. Here we go. Got it. Okay. Got it. Here we go. You bet. Okay. Okay. Here we
See,
go.
this is when having random
Okay.
stuff sucks.
Here we go. Whoop.
I'm not sure if that one worked. I'm not convinced now. Not convinced, but it is better. Could you align score and jump power, please? I don't know what you're talking about. The left text align. No, I'm not going to left align score and jump power. That would suck. I'll give you a... Can I give you the benefit of the doubt on that one? Oh, UI. Hang on. I'll do this. I'll align that to the middle. But I'm still not sure I even care to like that. But that's the only thing I'm giving you. See, I'm already not liking that. They should be right aligned though. They are right aligned. Yes, they are aligned by the colon. Yeah. It's a optical illusion though, because one of them's bold. That's the problem. So one of them actually looks slightly further over than the other. Hang on, let me try and zoom in. See what I'm saying? Right? They're aligned on their center, which is right aligned, but the bold is tipping that one over with the extra size. Am I making sense? Probably not. But let's check it. All right, hang on. I gotta use the touchpad for that. There you go. Because if I do that, I mean, this aligns it. See, this is where it's optically wrong, but technically right. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I don't. That's why I'll leave it like that. I know what I meant, even if it didn't make any sense. That is the most English the CD has ever sounded. Wow, that's saying something. I mean, that's really putting that out there. Of all the things I can think that I've said over time, I'm shocked that that's the one. Oh, it's bloody hot. It was like 86 here today, something like that, and it's still hot in my room. How hot is it? Hey Siri. Now she totally ignores me. What's the temperature outside?
It's currently 69 degrees.
69 degrees. It's hotter than that in here, I'm telling you. It's probably the stress. And you're freezing. Yeah, I bet you are, Cocoa Type. Yeah. Isn't there a bit of a cold front coming your way? Even worse? Could be wrong, but I think there is. Oh, I don't know if it's 12. No, that sounds a bit too low. Okay, what I'm gonna do is export this one for iOS. Yep. Did it do it already? Really? That seemed a bit quick, didn't it? Okay. Xcode. 294. There you go. That sounds more like it. Let's remove the old version. The bad news with this, for those who weren't here earlier, it looks like Game Center is supported on Godot via a plugin, but it's very out of date and still in beta. It's 2 years old and in beta. Not a good place to start. We may have to go a different route there. But I still would like a cross-platform solution for that actually. Oh, I didn't change. Yeah. I know. Wait, fixing it. I'm fixing it. There you go. All right, I fixed it.
Yes.
Okay, let's see if it's better on here. And of course, first build has no sound. What is up with that? The first build doesn't have sound, then the second one does. That's not worrying at all, is it? Yeah, I don't think it's fixed the problem, the touch problem. I feel like it's the same still. That is my professional opinion. That is mine.
Hot.
Hot. So there's some niggly little things that I'm going to have to work out. But I don't know. I'm tempted to throw it open to you all to beta test it. Because it's working. Doesn't have onboarding screens, but you all know how to play this in the chat room because you've been doing it. Most of you, anyway. Some of you. Well, one of you. I don't know. Maybe I think I'm going to spend another day on this. I mean, if I add the onboarding screens, I could ship it. But I'm not gonna, because I would hate to take away the well, there's two problems. Number one, you would lose Game Center on iOS right now. Don't want that to happen. Number two, Godot 4, which is what I'm using, the Android performance is absolutely bloody awful. and I don't want that either. So it's kind of screwed in either direction. So I still got time on my side to fix up stuff. Yeah. Well, I say that. I don't know if there's a newer version. I haven't checked. I'm using 4.2.1, which I think is still the latest version. I probably could try opening it up in Godot 3, but I don't know. I'm probably going to encounter a whole bunch of issues if I do. However, well, I've also got issues with the Mac version. Use a cross-platform thing, they said. Yeah. Although, it is nice in full screen. It does render nicely.
You bet.
But
Here we go.
if I click away to lose focus here,
Got it.
right, this comes up. Oh, it's now working.
Okay.
You can now click it. Okay, hang on. Before, you couldn't click it. Yay. Did I
Okay.
fix that somehow? Was it?
Okay.
Okay, the Mac version's working.
Whoop. Okay.
That was the first click on there. That worked.
Got
Let
it.
me test that. Maybe I just
Here we
shipped you the
go.
Mac version to play with on beta. What do you
Whoop.
think?
You bet. Whoop. Okay. Here we
Ah,
go.
see, nah, I couldn't click on it that time.
Tell me why.
Yeah, a few weird little things. Can you provide one bit of feedback? It's never stopped you before. Go for it. You can always provide feedback. I just reserve the right to always ignore it. Same as I do with Cocoa Type, right? Tension's killing me, Mono. This better not be like some 500-word paragraph, though. Save everything. Oh, there we go. The pause screen is not a pause screen. It's almost always certain death. What? It would be great if it was a see-through opaque overlay so you can see where you will unpause back at. I'll think about it. I mean, I know what you're saying, but I also think it kind of adds a bit of a challenge to it. Yeah. I was at 50. Wait, is this just because you suck at it like I do? Yeah. Unpaused, and immediately died as it was fast speed. Yeah, well, see, that's always going to be a problem, right? Because once you get to the fast speed, you're probably just going to die. I mean, that's... Even if you know... How can I put it? Just human reaction times. Even if you can see that where it is, the chances are on a fast speed of you timing it right, pretty slim, I would say. Yeah, I did actually think about a 3, 2, 1 kind of thing. And I still haven't completely ruled it out. I guess I'm not sure how much it would help. But I know what you're saying. It kinda makes pause a little useless, if that makes sense. The pause was really put in just for mobile devices when it goes to the background, right? So that you didn't come back and immediately you didn't immediately jump back in the screen. I mean, if you're going to go that route, and I'm not saying it's right or wrong, if you're going to go that route, you might as well not have any background covering it up at all and just show the game and a button that says resume, right? I mean, you know what I'm saying? Because it's kind of the same thing at that point. Yeah. Remove pause, make it work. Make it works like online. I can't pause in the middle. No, you got to have a pause because people asked for it. So I put it in because it was a player request. And I think it's a valid one. Especially for old folks like me. Yeah. I'll think about it. I'll give it some thought. See, maybe experiment with a few things. We'll see. Maybe like I say, I might experiment with a few things. This obviously already has pretty significant differences in many ways to the Sprite Kit version that's out there in the App Store right now. Even seemingly little things like the jump mechanism and gravity and so on. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the other one because this is meant to be somewhat of a progression, right? You know, as I build it, if that makes sense. Yeah, the Sprite Kit one is the only one that's out there for everybody at the moment in the App Store. You know, like for example, this doesn't have any of the events right now, right? This doesn't have any of the events. You can't pick between different players. You know, there's significant differences between this version and the Sprite Kit one. Still at the moment. But here's the thing, there's no point in me releasing this one, I don't think, until the Android build performance is improved. Because I'm no better off than just tweaking the Sprite Kit one otherwise. Ah, okay. Yeah. So, I mean, I really want to get one out on Android. And there's no, I guess, if it wasn't for the performance thing, I'd probably do this one and put it out on Android. But the performance on my tablet here is so terrible that it's unbearable. I mean, it really is, you know, the Android build system and they do say that it is a Godot 4 thing. So, you know, anyway. All right. Let's think. What else? Oh, I do want to add an extra bug here to the Notion. Sometimes tap power up multiple times. That is a bug and it drives me crazy. So that definitely has to go in the 1.0. That's a bug. It's a bug. All right. Good news is the list of things to do is still shorter than the list of things done. That's the good news. Sprite Kit 1, it's in the store. Just go to hang on. Just go there. And it'll kick you over. Well, actually, it'll kick you over to the same link that Mono put in. Thank you, Mono. feel like Escamino should be ashamed that he's asking that question after all this time, right? Feel free to give him a hard time, Mono. I think that's deserved, right? Okay. Impressed Mono had that €1. I know, right? Of all the things to remember, you would not think that would be the one. It's always Escamino's fault, yeah. Realistically, what I should do, and what I'm doing a terrible job at, is putting it in the chat room more. But it's because I get so focused on what I'm doing. Alright, we did fix some stuff. We fixed some stuff, we improved some stuff. I'm super happy with getting the 9 scaling buttons working, because that was really bothering me. So, pretty happy about that. You know, these buttons don't have weird shapes anymore. So that was really bothering me, especially on the settings screen, this button for the sound. So I'm happy I've got that out the way. I feel like it's just down to these weird quirks on the platforms, which I sort of suspected was always going to be a thing. So, you know. What are these readmes? That one's mine. I don't know what these other ones are. I don't know what that one and that one is. It must be from some plugin. Excuse me. It's not your guys' Wait, it's not your guys' browser home screen. Oh. Hey, hey, funny enough you mentioned that. Sending some folks today how great Shadowcat is. So no pressure to keep it going, but you know, it's like, oh yeah, Shadowcat, you should totally check that out. And I now know 2 people who got into WWDC 24, by the way. I know of at least 2 people that I know who have made it. One of them was their first time applying, and she got right in and right through. Talk about lucky, you know. All right, okay. I think I'm gonna leave it there. I'm getting really tired. It's about 1:15 a.m. here. Wait, Escamina, you seriously? You got in for real? I'm all out of hydrate. I need to go get some more of that too. But I promise I will. You need to get Shadowcat in some sort of state where it could be releasable somehow. Yes, you do. I think it's working great. That's just my 2 cents. I actually, on my phone, I know I turned off the Twitch notifications, I think, and I think Shadowcat is the only one I have turned on, if I remember rightly. When I hit play, it shows up Game Center, and when I say okay, I'm dead in game for the first time. I don't know what you're talking about. Game Center is on the menu screen, not the game screen. So that could probably be your phone connection. Yeah, scalable is yeah, okay, so showed it after you hit play. No, that I can tell you as the guy that wrote the code, it's on the menu screen. So that's going to be your link to Apple stuff, because it doesn't do any of that on the game screen. Yeah, scalability is always a thing, right? It's always a pain in the butt. Anytime you don't think about it, boom, next thing you know, it's biting you on the butt. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave it there, folks. Thank you, all of you, for hanging out with me here. I like to do game dev on Friday nights now. Gets me set up for the weekend. Probably end up doing some app stuff on Sunday. I think we'll go back. We'll be back to some Swift and app stuff. Only tracking. Oh yeah, that's right. You have the max of 10,000. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. You do have that problem as well. Yeah. But yeah, folks, that's what I got for you. Thank you so much, everybody, for hanging out. Always great blast. It's always a great motivational and pick me up thing to do on a Friday night, into Saturday morning after such a long work week. And I know you all know what that's like in our industry. So have a good one, everyone. If you are at all interested in, a lot of you came along from Coco Type's stream. Thank you for that. Thank you for the raid, and thank you for hanging about. That is our Discord where we all hang out. That's Coco Type's one as well. Join us there. We're always looking to help each other. And legend, yeah, and support that. I'll raid someone. Anyone got any suggestions? Who's on? Anybody on? Let's have a look. No one on my list, but if anyone's got a suggestion, I'll take a look. Quantum Apprentice. Don't know that one. Are they on now? Let me see if I can copy and paste that in there. Oh yeah, there they are. Yep. All right. That's what we're gonna do. Right into a hot tub one. Need that to happen the other way around, right? Yeah. All right, folks. We're gonna do a raid here on Quantum Apprentice. Have a good one, everyone. I will catch up with you all at the weekend. Enjoy yourselves. Some of you are living in the future. Your weekend is almost over. All right, here we go. Starting the raid.
This year, let's raise a glass to moving forward with Mary Ruth's. With Mary Ruth's liquid multivitamins, you can infuse your everyday with wellness that works for your life. From multivitamin mocktails
actually, you know
to
what?
soothing
Hang on.
bedtime beverages, adding Mary Ruth's to your routine is a delicious,
do it now. Here
easy
we go.
way to feel
Yeah,
good
vitamins,
every
right?
day.
Here we go.
So cheers to good health and always being yourself. Discover Mary Ruth's on Amazon today.
Oh no! It's a raid. We got us a raid. What do we got a raid from? Compile Dev. Nice to meet you. How you doing today? Let me make sure. Give you a follow here. Thank you for the raid. It's confusing you because you're just using max to specify the minimum desired size, but you do that by picking the larger size when the dynamic one gets low. All right, fair enough. That kind of makes sense a little bit. All right, min 10-100 would choose 10, max 10-100 would choose 100. Yeah, okay. Mono NC, nice to see you. Welcome in, everybody.